Sister Rachel, dun sa program po natin, wala nakalagay sa ABP, BBCM, YM Church History. Si Sister Rachel po ang ating gumawa po niya. No? We have a long history, although this is only our first formal church anniversary, but as I told you, we have been here almost 7 years na. No? And thank you, another group of our brethren from Nasyaban Village, the Nasyaban Evangelical Baptist Church under Pastor Arsene Gregorian Kane. Pastor, can I ask the delegates to stand up please? From Nasyaban Village. Thank you for coming. Thank you, you may sit down. Kinatapos na po natin, we are winding the first part. On the second part, we will recognize you individually. But thank you, Sister Rachel, for making that very beautiful historical ng ating church. No? Thank you for the brethren. Napakarami pong pictures niyan, pero we only need to select some representative pictures. So you have seen, actually talaga, Pastor, pang-apat na pala talaga, no? Yun ang weakness ko, yung mahina na memory, no? The first mission conference we did is at Pastor's Arsene Church. It's in 2018, no? Around October, November. Then the second part is in Pastor's Arthur Rafaelian's church in Writers Union. The third was again at the Nicole Duman church. Actually, pang-apat na pala to, no? Na missions conference. So, brethren, indeed, the Lord is very faithful to us. Now, we will go to the next part of our program because today is Sunday. This is the Lord's Day, no? And part of our worship is giving. But nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting adjustment sa giving, no? Normally, dinadala po yan sa unahan, dun sa maliit na pinagtitipunan. But now, dahil po sa medyo malawak ang space natin, may gagamitin pong offering plate. I will ask Brother Darwin, please, to read the scripture and to pray for our offering.